And in other news, the mention of Indian leaders in the Epstein files triggered a row in the parliament during the ongoing budget session. And Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, whose name appears in the released files, has responded to statements and allegations made by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. Well, just a short while ago, the BJP leader and union minister addressed a press conference where he clarified the nature and circumstance of his interaction with Jeffrey Epstein. Listen to this.
I was invited to join the International Peace Institute, but I was not part of the IPI per se. I was Secretary General of something called the Independent Commission on Multilateralism. Now, the president of this, the chair of this was a former Prime Minister of Australia. I was the Secretary General. My boss in the IPI, Mr. Terry Rod Larson, was the person who knew this particular infamous person, Mr. Epstein, and it is as part of a delegation of the IPI or the ICM that I met Mr. Epstein on a few occasions, 3 or maximum 4.
Now, Puri went on to say that he was ambushed for the first dinner meeting with the financier and sex offender. He also mentioned that doubts over the extent of Epstein's crimes post his 2008 conviction is what made people like him leave.
In 2008, he pled guilty, yes, for a charge that he was soliciting the favors of a woman who was underage. That was it. The rest of the stories got to be known much later. But believe me, many of us had doubts on that. That's why people like us left.
Well, earlier, Lok Sabha's leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, had raised the matter of Puri's name featuring in the dossier released by US Justice Department on January 30th. Puri's response comes to the following remarks that Rahul Gandhi made in Parliament.
There is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files. That's why he's not in jail.
Rahul ji,
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri who introduced him to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul. No.
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले.